here at the MBRP compound today with Hamza from Unity Performance and his Civic Type R. Hamza, tell us a bit about your car and why you're here with us today.
Thank you for the introduction, Reed. Well, in addition to the cosmetic mods, it's got the usual full bolt-on mods as well as a larger turbo, so it's making quite a bit of jam, but I didn't want it to sound like a track car. So I've been working with you back and forth over the last couple of months, requesting that we have a system which still allows me to have my family in the car and I can have a conversation with them without, much drone or interference. If I'm in the car and I want to take a call, I can do that on the highway, without the constant intervention of sound, which I was previously experiencing with another aftermarket system.
So we've got a couple special things for Hamza today that we're going to get into. All right guys, the exhaust is out, the MBRP is in. Let's hop under and take a look. So we have the Unity CTR here. As some of you might know, there's an upgraded turbo and an upgraded downpipe. MBRP will pick it up right after that. 3-inch mandrel bends, keeping the flex pipe there. Coming into a mid pipe with a resonator in the same location as factory. Picking up the factory hanger locations as well. And coming to our middle section, something a little different here. The S4901 kit will come with a straight pipe in the middle, but because this is an upgraded car, a little noisier than normal, we've worked with Unity and we've chosen this resonator as a good option to keep it street friendly for your upgraded parts. Continuing through, it's stainless steel on all these kits. You'll see lots of laser cuts at the back here, lots of bracketry. It's a big system in a tight space. One final resonator there. Got our Helmholtz technology as well to deal with that highway drone and keep it nice and tame. And then finally the 3 tips, the signature Civic Type R look, 4 inches on the outside, 5 inches on the inside. One other option that's unique, you'll see with our new FL5 kit, we've gone to 4.5 across the board, and this spacing is the same, so that's an option. You can reach out to us, we can set you up with that look as well if that's something you're looking for.
Alright, so these are my first few feet in the MBRP exhaust, and automatically I can tell it is a lot more civil in a town. I still know that I have an aftermarket exhaust, but it's not so loud that, I can't think. Really excited to get this up on the highway, not only to accelerate and hear how it sounds properly, but also just to, put it in 6th gear and see how it does while we're cruising. All right, we're gonna enter the highway over here in a little bit of spirited manner, so let's give it a go. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. And we're done. A little bit of downshift. Oof, when you downshift, you hear it. You definitely hear it when you downshift. We're gonna give it a little bit more gas. But then come back down and it's quiet. Love that. So yeah, just crawling in 6th gear, 110 kilometers an hour, which is just short of 70 miles an hour. And I'm able to carry a conversation with, people in the car, listen to the radio, listen to, my songs on Spotify, or just have a phone call. Really happy with how it is so far. I'm gonna enjoy my drive home, and I'm gonna enjoy the 16-hour road trip that I have coming up at the beginning of April, going down to Tennessee.
If you're also looking for performance, craftsmanship, and that unique sound, look up MBRP or Unity Performance and we'll get you set up with what you're looking for.